Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to download, install, and run the 91 Club APK on your PC. Whether you're using Windows, Mac, or Linux, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll explore the key features of 91 Club APK, its system requirements, and the different installation methods you can use, including Android emulators and cloud platforms like Google Cloud and AWS. We'll also provide a detailed user guide with essential tips and answers to frequently asked questions to ensure you have a smooth experience. Let's start with the key features that make 91 Club APK a must-have. This app offers a seamless experience for gaming and entertainment, providing high-quality graphics and smooth performance. You can access a wide range of games and apps not typically available on the Google Play Store. The user-friendly interface ensures that even beginners can navigate the app with ease. Before you begin the installation process, it's essential to ensure your system meets the minimum requirements. For Windows users, you'll need at least Windows 7 or higher for gigabytes of RAM and a dual-core processor. Mac users should have macOS 10.12 or later for gigabytes of RAM and an Intel processor. Linux users should ensure they have a modern distribution, 4 gigabytes of RAM, and a dual-core processor. Now, let's dive into the different methods you can use to install 91 Club APK on your PC. 1. Using Android emulators. BlueStacks. Download and install BlueStacks from the official website. Once installed, open BlueStacks and sign in with your Google account. Download the 91 Club APK file and drag it into the BlueStacks window to install. Nox Player. Similar to BlueStacks, download and install Nox Player. Open the player, sign in with your Google account, and drag the 91 Club APK file into the window to install. 2. Using cloud platforms. Google Cloud. Sign up for a Google Cloud account and create a new virtual machine. Choose an appropriate operating system and follow the instructions to set up your VM. Once set up, download and install an Android emulator on your VM. Then install the 91 Club APK. AWS. Create an AWS account and launch a new EC2 instance. Choose an appropriate operating system and follow the setup instructions. Install an Android emulator on your instance, and then install the 91 Club APK. Let's go through the step-by-step installation process for each method. Using BlueStacks. 1. Visit the BlueStacks website and download the installer. 2. Run the installer and follow the on-screen instructions. 3. Once installed, open BlueStacks and sign in with your Google account. 4. Download the 91 Club APK file from a trusted source. 5. Drag and drop the APK file into the BlueStacks window to begin the installation. 6. After installation, you can open the 91 Club APK from the BlueStacks home screen. Using Google Cloud. 1. Sign up for a Google Cloud account and create a new project. 2. Navigate to the compute engine and create a new virtual machine instance. 3. Choose an operating system and follow the setup instructions. 4. Connect to your VM instance and install an Android emulator. 5. Download the 91 Club APK file and install it on your emulator. Once you've installed the 91 Club APK, open the app to explore its features. The main menu provides access to games, settings, and more. Here are some essential tips. Navigation. Use the on-screen buttons to navigate through the app. Settings. Customize the app settings to optimize performance. Downloads. Manage your downloads directly within the app. Common do's and don'ts. Do. Regularly update the app for the latest features and security patches. Don't. Download APK files from untrusted sources to avoid malware. Here are some frequently asked questions to help you troubleshoot common issues. Question: why is the app not installing on my emulator? A. Ensure your emulator is updated and your system meets the requirements. Question: how do I update the 91 Club APK? A. Download the latest version from a trusted source and install it over the existing app. Thank you for watching our guide on installing and running the 91 Club APK on your PC. We hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech guides and tutorials. Visit our website for additional resources and support.